Logic and reason will never make a woman fall in love with you, because female attraction is entirely driven by emotional stimulation. Discovered exactly how to flip her crush switch by mastering the art of positive emotional spikes. Welcome back, guys. Have you ever wondered why some guys effortlessly attract the girls they want while others constantly struggle? It all comes down to a fundamental truth about human psychology and attraction. In a perfect world, finding a partner would be as easy as an Adelie penguin offering a simple pebble to the female he likes. But for humans, the courtship process is far more complex. To really understand how to get a girl hooked on you, you first have to understand the biological differences in our brains. Studies actually show that women are naturally much more emotional creatures than men, which makes perfect evolutionary sense since they rely on a highly tuned emotional radar to care for children. You can see this difference playing out every single day just by looking at what we choose to watch on TV. While guys generally prefer logical or action-based programming, girls often prefer reality shows or soap operas. Why? Because they crave emotional stimulation, and above all else, they want to feel good emotions. This brings us to exactly how you can use this to your advantage. Research shows that the more emotional a situation is, the more likely a girl is to remember it. This is why boring, highly logical dates rarely work. If you want her to remember you, you need to create an unforgettable experience. A great trick is taking her on a thrilling or even slightly scary date. When she experiences those intense, adrenaline-pumping emotions, her brain will subconsciously link those exciting feelings directly to the man who is right there providing them. However, you have to be incredibly careful, because there is a dangerous side to this. Because girls are extremely sensitive to emotions, saying the wrong combination of words can quickly set off a massive storm of negative emotions. Whenever possible, you absolutely want to avoid triggering that storm, and you definitely do not want to be on the receiving end of it. Instead, your ultimate goal is to become her unshakable source of happiness. The absolute easiest and most effective way to stimulate her emotions in the right direction is simply to use positive energy and humor. Find environments where you feel totally comfortable so you can easily be yourself and make her laugh. At the end of the day, girls respond most to how you make them feel. If you can consistently be the guy who gives her those amazing, feel-good emotions, she will associate all that happiness with you, and her attraction will grow naturally. So, get out there, start creating those positive emotional spikes, and flip that crush switch. If you found this video helpful and want to keep leveling up your game, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, until next time, thanks for watching.